You switch to salads, you're eating quinoa bowls, you've got enough kale in your fridge to start a small farm, and yet every afternoon you look like you've swallowed a basketball. That's not a diet failure. That's the wrong ingredients for your body. And today we fix it. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and this one is for everyone who's doing everything right and still suffering for it. Because the frustrating truth is that some of the most promoted health foods are the ones most likely to leave you bloated, gassy, and uncomfortable by mid-afternoon. Let's start with why this happens. Raw kale contains a sugar called raffinose. Your body simply doesn't have the enzyme to break it down properly. So your gut bacteria do it instead, and the byproduct is gas. Harvard Health Research confirms this is one of the most common causes of bloating in people eating what they believe is a healthy diet. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, pack glucosinolates, and high fiber, both excellent for long-term health, both potentially brutal on your digestive comfort, especially if you've increased your intake quickly. Your gut needs time to adapt. Jump from 10 grams of fiber a day to 25 in a single bowl, and you're asking for trouble. Then there are sugar alcohols. That protein bar you're reaching for between meals, check the label for sorbitol, mannitol, or xylitol. These are poorly absorbed in your digestive tract. Pour water in and ferment. The result is bloating that has nothing to do with overeating. Here's what the Mediterranean approach does differently. It doesn't abandon nutrition, it swaps smartly. Research published in the journal Nutrients in 2024 confirms that Mediterranean cooking methods and ingredient choices significantly reduce digestive discomfort compared to standard Western health food patterns. The swaps are simple. Trade raw broccoli for cooked zucchini. Roasting and sautéing break down the gas-producing compounds. Swap beans for fish when your gut is sensitive. You keep the protein and healthy fats without the fermentation. Choose fennel over cabbage. Fennel actively calms your gut rather than irritating it. Mint and oregano do the same. Cooking method matters more than most people realize. The same vegetable, raw versus roasted, behaves completely differently in your digestive system. Mediterranean cooking has always known this. Low and slow, olive oil, gentle heat. That's not just flavor, it's function. The full article has a complete ingredient swap guide, Mediterranean recipes designed specifically for digestive comfort, and a practical meal plan to get you started. The link is right below this video. If your stomach has been fighting you despite your best efforts, this is the video to share. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Get well and stay well.